Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change Steam privacy from public to private. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Steam privacy settings can controls who can see your profile, game details, and inventory. Proper settings are important because settings determine whether trading sites may can your virtual in-game item and protect your unwanted attention and scam. So what if you want to change your privacy on your Steam account? It's very simple. First of all, of course, to help to open our Steam. Now you can just go to your profile, and here you can select on view my profile. From here, you can just go to edit profile, select on edit profile. From edit profile, you can select on privacy settings. So in here, your basic details, your privacy, you can change your profile settings. So by default, it's set to public. So your community profile includes your profile summary, friend list, page, Steam level showcases, comments, and group membership will be shown. And if you don't want, you can just change it to friends only or private, so no one can see your profile except yourself. And also in here, you can change your game details, friend list, inventory, and others. It's very simple, right? When you change your profile to private, so all the settings, all the privacy will be set to private. And if you change to public, you can change it the other privacy like your game detail, friend list, and inventory. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change your privacy from public to private on Steam. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.